Hello, family. I hope you guys are doing well. As you know, Speak AT. So yeah, I know today like I'm not really visible. So like yeah, you won't be seeing my face. You won't be seeing my ugly face today. Because I think I keep on telling you guys that whenever like I'm recording, like I'm screen recording and I'm actually showing my video, and yet at the same time I wanna like actually use my browser, my video tends to actually just freeze in a way. So for today, just to actually finish up like where we started, like yeah, I just figured that it'll be just great to actually just show instead of you guys seeing me. But yeah, you'll probably like see me like in the next video. So cool. Now we just actually, I just want to make sure that we actually finish up setting the ads and we actually continue where we left off. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, but like this is where we were last time, right? You are on like your business settings. Okay, cool. Now you wanna set up your ad to start running so that people can now finally come to your business, right? So what you're gonna do from your business settings, you wanna go to, oh yeah, it's here. You want all tools basically. Yeah, you're gonna click here. You're gonna see all tools and you go to the ads manager. That's where you're going to be setting up your ad. But yeah, I hope you guys like manage to actually keep up with everything. You guys have everything like in check. Let's hope like it opens like the right ad account, because I have a lot. I have a lot of ad accounts. Okay, yeah, this is where you actually set up your ad. But in your case, this will probably be empty. So let me delete that. Let me delete these. I have like a lot of ad accounts, and some of the ad accounts are not mine. People actually just hit me up telling me, oh yeah, I should run ads for them. But yeah, actually, I'm trying to delete. Can't what's happening now? See Facebook. Aye. So yeah, give me a minute. Give me a minute. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi or what, but it seems to be really slow. Oh, I want to delete this. Delete, not edit. Yeah, because yeah, on your case, when you actually edit, when you actually come, it will be like this. See, this empty, very empty. And now you actually have to, set up a new campaign from scratch. Which is fine because today I should also be setting up like my ads, because I started like a new store just today. I'm not sure if you guys saw that on my TikTok, but I posted about it that like, today I'm starting a new store. So yeah, chances are I'll also be running my ads just like you guys. And it's like what? It's 2023. So it's still like a great time to actually run your ads. So cool. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. So in order to create, a campaign. Wait, but I think I owe in this. I think I owe in this ad account, but I'm not really sure though. But anyway, yeah, let's see. Cool. In order to create your campaign, first thing you have to click here on create. Even a little before we can actually go there, let me just teach you a bit about this. So when it comes to running ads, there's the campaign level, there's the ad set level, and there's the ads level. The campaign level, that's where you just telling Facebook, okay, I want to run a campaign, and this will be the name of my campaign. On the ad set level, that's whereby you tell Facebook, okay, this is how much I want to spend, this is who I want to target, and this is how I want you to actually run my ad. Okay. And on the ad level, that's why you tell Facebook, okay, now that I told you how I want my ad to be, this is what I want you to show to people that you'll be running my ad to, right? I hope that is clear. So you're gonna start in the campaign level, click create. Create, it says select the campaign objective. Your campaign objective is always sales. Always want to aim for sales. You don't want traffic, you don't want leads, you just want sales, right? Then click continue. You're gonna see Advantage Plus shopping campaign, and you're gonna see a manual sales campaign, of which mostly we go for like manual sales campaign. And I also have like a new strategy that I'm testing with this, but like it's not really ready yet for the public. So for now, let's just go with the normal one. Cool. Manual sales campaign. Then click continue. Okay, cool. Now, I don't know why this thing's not moving, but it was supposed to be out a long time ago. Here, you're just gonna name your campaign. You can name it whatever you want to name it. It's up to you what you name it. You can name it after your store. I mean, your customers won't even see this. It's just for you, Gillespie. So you can name it BK store campaign. It's up to you. It's like you're just naming at NJ. Just in case maybe you have like multiple, advertising campaigns and stuff, right? Okay, cool. Now on the campaign level, mostly you just actually, just name your campaign and you don't really do much. Don't really do anything else. And yeah. You don't really do much. Then let's go to like next. Oh, come on, next. Now we went from the campaign level. Now we are on the ad set level. Can you see what this blue thing is? Which shows that we are on the ad set level. On the ad set level, like I said, that's what you tell Facebook. Well, this is who I want to target, and this is how I want to target them. This is what I want from, you know, um, the ad that I'm running. So cool. The ad set name, you don't really need to name it right now. Um, it's like you name it after people that you'll be targeting. So cool. Um, you on conversion, you want people to go to your website, so you're gonna click website. Cool. Then you wanna maximize number of conversions. Yeah, if it's not maximize number of conversions, make sure you take it to maximize number of conversions. And a pixel as a data set. Remember yesterday I told you guys to create like a data set. Cool, data set. So don't be surprised by the word pixel. A pixel is the data set. Then conversion event that you want is purchases. You want people to purchase on your store, right? This shouldn't worry you. Don't worry about it. Okay, cool. Then you go with dynamic creative. Do not turn it on. Now this is the part that actually confuses a lot of you, or that most of you be asking me about. How much should I spend on ads? Honestly, guys, I think I told you last time ago. For on Facebook, you can spend as little as 50 Rand per day. That's the minimum that you can spend on ads. Imagine 50 Rand, right? But okay, really, like let me just do it practically, just so you guys can see for yourself. Let's say you're spending 50 Rand, and there's a daily budget per ad set, 50 Rand. You can see like the reach kind of like went down a bit. But let's say maybe you take it to like actually one. Most people actually recommend that you spend about $10 per ad set, of which $10 is like what 176, or if not 178. See, we increase the price now, even the reach and our chances of getting more conversions are high. Can you see? It used to be 1k when it was 50, now it's like 5 and something. You see? So that's how it is. The higher the price that you use here, the more your ad will be pushed to more people, and you'll be able to reach more people, and it actually increases the chances of conversions. Conversions are, people actually buying. That's the conversion that you want on your store. Right? So they always say you should spend about at least $10 per ad set. But what I recommend, or do not spend $10 per ad set. Spend at least maybe 150 per ad set. That's what I recommend. But you can still spend less, as you guys saw, right? Not really, compulsory for you to spend 150, but you can. That's what I recommend. At least spend 150, just so you can reach enough people, you know. So yeah, then we come to like the start date. We wanted to start the following day, just so you could distribute your amount, accordingly, So we wanted to start the following day, but got 12:00. Hold on. Oh, it's 12:00 a.m. Yeah, a.m. Right? Okay, cool. So yeah, set an end date. Do not set an end date, because if you do, Facebook it just takes you as a once-off customer. So you want them to think, oh yeah, here to stay. But yeah, the reason why I'm saying you shouldn't set an end date is because you can turn it off manually yourself. So yeah, so you don't really do anything else here. Location, obviously, you're targeting South Africa, so you don't really need to do much. Advantage plus audience. Normally I'd use like original audience options, so yeah, but you can also like use this one, you know. It's like here, it's like we are just telling Facebook, okay, cool. I know that your, AI that actually helps, getting customers is powerful, but maybe I can suggest, you know, um, a few audiences that you can actually target, right? Or you can switch to original audience option. Original audience option, that's where you like, I don't really care about your AI and how powerful it is. I want my own audience. You understand? So between these two, there's no really one best. You know, I mean, original audience and this one is pretty much almost like the same thing. Just that here it's like Facebook plus your recommendation. But when you switch to original audience, it's just your recommendation alone with no help from the Facebook AI, right? But for the purpose of like this, actually, like yeah, I don't know, like, but it's pretty much like that's the same thing. But let's switch to original audience. You see what it says, like yeah, with you switching to original, blah blah blah. But yeah, let's switch to original. So as you can see now, you can tell Facebook, well, I want you to target people who are in this age group, who are in South Africa, the gender. Maybe you can select the gender that you want, and this you're going to select based on your product. If maybe your product is just women based, just click edit and select women. If maybe your product is for older people, you can click edit and choose like the age. Okay, cool. Now this is whereby you'll actually be telling Facebook, well, who do you want to target? But yeah, let's keep that for now. We'll get back to it. Placement. You don't want to mess with the placement. Like that one, Facebook knows where to actually place your ad. Then you click on next. Remember, I told you guys to create pages. I hope you guys actually did that also. So cool. The ad name, you don't really need to actually like name. We are now on the ad level. Don't really need to name your ad. You're going to select your page. Let's say maybe this was the page that you created, and this was the Instagram that you actually, what is it? Instagram that you actually, what is created. Or maybe if you don't have an Instagram, you can actually use this button. Use Facebook page. So meaning, let's say maybe this is your Facebook page. Your ad will still show up on Instagram, but it'll show under this name. But I remember that's how you guys usually link your Instagram accounts. Okay, cool. Now let's move. Now I'm busy exposing, my clients, what is it, pages and stuff. But on the ads setup, manual upload, definitely. You want a single image or video. And catalog, none, because we are not really running catalog ads. But most like your catalog would actually like show, if it does show, as in your catalog is simply like the, what is it? It's simply, how can I put this? Your catalog is simply the products that are on your store. You understand? After like you linked Facebook and Shopify, you'll kind of like create like what you call a catalog for you. You can actually like use this, but you don't really need to use a catalog, so you can actually leave it on none. You don't really need to use a catalog, right? Then website URL, whereby it says like it wants like a URL, you'll be pasting a link to that specific product on your website. You're not really pasting what is it? You're not really pasting your website URL as in all of it. No, you're not really doing that. You're pasting the the link to that specific product that you're advertising. Remember when you're advertising, I told you guys that by now you have like this one specific product that you want to advertise. You're actually sending people to the web page of that specific product, not your whole website. Because when they land on the front of your website, they now have to click like a lot of buttons looking for that product, especially if you have a lot of products. So we don't want to complicate like customers, we don't want to do that. So you just paste the link to that specific um, product, ad specifically. For example, let's say maybe your store was like Nike. Okay? Let's go to Nike real quick. Okay. See, this is like Nike. Okay. Just say this was a store. You don't wanna paste the link to your whole store. Now customers have to click and go look for your product. You wanna like paste a link to that specific product page. Let's say maybe okay, yeah, let me make an example. Let's say you're selling this item, this one. Yeah, let's assume like you're selling this. Okay, cool. You wanna paste the you wanna copy the URL of this specific item or this specific page, not your whole website. So you're gonna click here, right? Then you copy. I mean, you guys know how to copy URL by now. Copy, cool. Then you can paste wherever like it says URL. And I know like there's somewhere else where you should paste your URL, but always wanna make sure always the URL goes to that specific page. You see? Yeah, perfect. You know. So yeah, on the ad creative, the ad creative is simply what you're telling Facebook. Okay, I want you to show this to my people. You know, it could either be a video or a picture. You know, and by now you guys have like videos, right? Cool. So which video now can I use? Let's hope I don't really have explicit videos in here. Let's try uploading a video. Is there like a video here? Nah, I don't think I have videos. Yeah, let me simply import like any video. Okay, give me a minute, guys. Let me try importing like a video in here. Yeah, man, I can't really pause. I have to like ha. Okay, but cool, guys. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, let's say you're using this. Okay, listen to this, guys. I know this is not part of the part of the message, but let's listen to this. Listen to this. We was chasing our goals, not chasing money. Niggas chasing hoes, we find that funny. I pull up in the roads, that hoe gon' want me. But I don't want no hoe, I want the one. Somebody to bounce these ideas off at night. I be going to sleep, hoping they'd visit me. And Lil King had a lot of jewels to split with me. And we ain't gotta leave the hood physically. But we gotta leave that shit mentally. Ooh. Okay. We don't have to leave the hood physically, but you have to leave that thing mentally. Ish. Anyway, cool. Sharp. Let's go back. Let's go back. So like yeah, let's assume man that this was your video that you actually found, right? I'm not saying go paste, go upload Jay-Z also. Come on, guys. Like it's for like examples. So for example, right? Or as for you know demonstration purposes. So as you can see, mostly like Facebook does recommend I can see maybe the aspect based on like where it will be like showing up. It's always like good to actually check how the aspect that they recommend actually changes your video. So as you can see here, I clicked one to one. Okay, didn't really do much difference. My ad is still perfect. That's here you see like it's not gonna show well, right? So you can leave it to original. Optimize, you wanna make sure that all optimizations are turned on. We was chasing a ghost or chasing money. Niggas chasing hoes. You find that funny? Ah! I didn't know cool. This is how your ad will actually be showing up. It'll be your page, then written sponsored. Uh, cool. Now we added the creative. Now the primary text. Primary text, guys. For this, that's whereby maybe you write. What is it? Your offer. Let's say maybe your offer is like um or even though you don't really need to actually think much about it, you can go use Chat GPT. Remember, I once told you guys about Chat GPT and how you could use it for things like this. Yeah, you could go tell it, or maybe I'm selling blah blah blah. It does this. Provide me a primary text on my Facebook, ad. It'll write it. You know, you could write something like but depending, it'll be like recommended for for you to actually use the one that you got from ChatGPT. But if you don't want to use that, you could just create your own you know um primary text, mobile, like, yeah, decide on maybe you are introducing your business, or maybe you're just writing your offer, or like, yeah, your offer is um what is it, get 10%, not 1005, and they, it's happening with me, 10% off your first product, I first purchase, purchase. uh, and I see some of you guys are actually like enjoying like the mentorship, right? Like some actually like hit me up on my TikTok telling me, bro, like don't ever stop uploading, blah blah blah. Like, bro, okay, cool. Um, there's an example of like an offer, and you might want to create some form of scarcity. Yeah. Scarcity. There's a scarcity. If you get it. Offer valid for 24 hours. There's an example, guys, for 24 hours. Valid for 24 hours. Yeah. Okay. So you can see whatever that you write here will actually show up here. So I can't really decide for you what you should write. You understand? Write a short headline. A headline will show like down there. Okay, let's see what it actually suggests. You can use like that suggested, or you could come with your own, or use Chat GPT. I told you guys. I told you. So I'm not gonna touch on Chat GTP, GPT, GPT again. Right? Cool. Then yeah, man, it didn't even like right. I just selected it. Didn't even. Same place with the short headline. Let me show you what happens when you write a headline. Let's say offer or Black Friday or buy here, but it's on, should be in the description what I want to buy. Maybe Black early Black. This is so unprofessional. Early Black Friday. I know Black Friday is coming, guys, so you guys want to make sure that you run your ad. Black Friday offer. Early Black Friday offer. Offer valid for 24 hours. Yeah, I ain't gotta leave the food physically, but you gotta you gotta leave that shit mentally. Can you see like how everything changed? I wrote here, it changed here. I wrote here, it changed there. So be creative with it, guys. So cool. Now you scroll down. Call to action that you want. You always want shop now. So look for shop now. You don't want learn more. You want shop now. Then that is there it is. Shop no. Okay. Cool. Then we move. I think like yeah, but you're not really done. Not really done. A/B speed test, you don't want to turn that on. If it's turned on, turn it off. I mean, it's kind of like advanced. I'm also like, navigating my way around it. And like, yeah, in due time, you guys will actually see it also. See the website URL that we pasted? Here it is. But if it's not showing on your side, please paste it again. And when you paste it, you don't paste the URL to your whole website, people. You paste the URL to that specific product on your website. Okay? Hope that is clear, uncle. Then let's move. You don't really do much after this. Event details. For the identity of your ad, you must have what is it, an Instagram, blah blah blah, but it's optional, so you don't really need to worry about this. But you guys are supposed to be having Instagram accounts because I told you about that. Then cool. Your pixel is supposed to be active. So if you guys actually like, you know followed like everything that I actually like showed or that I said like on yesterday's session, your pixel should now be active. I mean, you just created it, it's new, so it should be active. So this one it hasn't been working for the past 10 days. I mean 7 days. That's why like it's kind of like off. But in case here it will be green. If it's not green or if it's red, go Google, guys. Like now I'm teaching you to actually be innovative. Eh? Even if there's a problem, go fix it. If like yeah, it's red and not really green. I mean the pixel is a bit as I remember. If it shows like red, not green, go search to YouTube how to actually make your pixel active. You know, on YouTube you're gonna find everything. That's what I'm teaching you how. Like information is everywhere. You just have to go out there and find it and find it. And yeah, you don't really need to use catalog. You can click none. Yeah, because that was like the only issue. No, there are like about two issues. You don't want this. Oh, the ad only delivering two placements. Ah, nice one. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. Okay, cool. So now you're done telling Facebook, well, okay, this is the page that I wanted to show to my customers, and this is what I actually, this is the kind of like video that I wanted to show to my people. Okay, now that you are done, you go back to like the ad set level, you know. Then you click here, you duplicate the ad set level. How many times you duplicate it, it will depend on your budget, but I always recommend that at least duplicate it at least 3 times. Have about three or four ad sets. That should be your minimum. 3 or 4 ad sets. But you can actually multiply it as many times as you want. Now normally whenever like I run my ad, I go extreme. I sometimes like duplicate about like 8 times. But I do understand that some of you guys do not really have that kind of like budget. You understand? So you should just bend through like everything. So at least just make sure you just duplicate about like 3 or 4 times. Maybe 3 times. Let's go for like 3 times. Okay, so that means per day, how much will you be spending? 150 times 3. Okay, 150 times 3. How much is that? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. 150 times 3. It's 1/4. I mean 450. And 150 times 4 is 600. Yeah, 600 is not that bad. So like yeah, let's duplicate it 3 times. So there'll be about 4 in total, 600 per day. But also like depending on the product that you're selling, like you should also make sure like you still remain profitable. So as like let's say maybe you're selling an item of like what 600, don't spend more than 600 on an ad. You understand? Make sure like you remain like profitable in a way. So yeah, if maybe you wanna duplicate it like just 2 times, you're still fine. Because remember in the initial phases you are testing, guys. You're not really sure what's working. You understand? Cool. So now you duplicate it. As you can see, there's the original one, there's the copy, there's the copy, there's the copy. I know some of you are probably being confused right now, but anyway, cool. Let's go to the new sales ad set, the original one. Remember, I once said that you shouldn't, um, name it because you're going to name it after people that you'll be targeting. So let's go all the way down to audiences. On audiences, here it's just broad. We are not really targeting anyone, so let's go name it broad. You want to make sure you do have like a broad one also. The broad one is like it's just open. You're not really targeting anyone specifically. Then let's go to the copy. On the copy, let's go back to the audience. Audience, let's say maybe we are selling maybe a gym product. Okay, if you're selling a gym product, here we target people based on the product that you're selling. Let's say maybe you're selling a gym product. Obviously, you want to target people into maybe fitness, for example, physical fitness. Then okay, you go up and you name this physical fitness, just so you can know. Yeah, it's a fitness. We are targeting people into fitness in this ad set. Okay, cool. See, it changed. Now let's go to another copy. Another copy. Let's see. Where's the audience? Okay, are we back now? Let's assume I'm selling, gem stuff. So um, I'm targeting people who want to. Oh, okay, maybe sports. Okay, I'm into sports because I'm in sports and fitness. I mean, yeah, sports and gym. I mean, gym is a sport, isn't it? Yeah, I'm targeting people into sports. Okay, cool. Let's go. Sports. Okay. I know that here I'm targeting people into physical fitness. Here I'm targeting people into sport. Here it's just broad. I'm just letting it being shown to everyone. Now let's go here. We go back to the audience. Audience. Okay. Well, who else can I target who's into like gym? Maybe let me just search gym itself. See employers. Guys, we don't wanna target in. What is it? Employers. We wanna target interests or just have like yeah, kind of there's like this one like I noticed that like kind of tends to work also, but it's broad. But let's leave it. Let's leave it. Let's go for like gym and see what you can actually see like UFC gym. I gymnastic art art gymnastics. Yo, I can't the gym influence. Damn it! I didn't know that. Anyway, cool. Let's go and name it up. Gym. So we know that in this ad we are taking people into what? Gym. Done. So now that you are pretty much done with everything, you are not going to click publish from here. You are going to click close. Alright. Then yeah, maybe cancel this, cancel that, and click campaigns. Then click review and publish. I know it will show, sometimes it does show errors here, but if it shows error on what is it, maybe when it comes to like the resolution and stuff, that one is not a big deal. So then you can click publish, and that's how like your ad will go to Facebook, and Facebook will actually review it. After like it is reviewed, they'll send you an email telling you, okay, cool, you reviewed your ad, now it is live. So yeah, that's how you run an ad, the simplest way possible. I hope I don't really confuse anyone, because I know like this is complicated. That's why I made it like a three day kind of thing instead of just rushing you guys through it. So yeah, no, I'm not gonna publish this. I mean, I'm not promoting Jay-Z. Come on, guys. But yeah, that's how it is, and that's how it works. I hope you guys actually understood this, and good luck with um, launching your businesses. And yeah, I don't know if maybe I should actually allow you guys to actually send messages on the Telegram. If you're not really on the Telegram group, I'll give it in the description. Join the Telegram group. But yeah, that's how you actually launch a store. And when your ad goes live, people will now visit your store. And when people visit your store, let's hope there could be like sales. But if you followed like everything, to the teeth and actually added your own creativity inside, and yeah, I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't get like a sale. You understand? And if like you don't get a sale, like it's like don't feel like discouraged. Don't feel discouraged. I mean, it does happen. Like as I told you guys in the beginning that this is more of like a testing game in the beginning. Okay, it's more like a testing game in the beginning. Like you don't really like know what's working, which ad set will get you sales and stuff. But the moment you find that ad set that actually gets you sales, or the moment you find that product that actually gets you sales, let's believe going up from there is pretty much easy, right? So in whatever that happens, guys, good luck, good luck, good luck. I'm proud of each and every one of you that actually made it to this point. I mean, I'm sure some of you probably like just quit or already, or maybe are no longer like watching. But yeah, I'll just make sure that like yeah, I leave my DMs open for results. Who knows? Maybe you might be the next person like appearing on my TikTok, because I tend to usually post my students. So cool. My DM is always open for your results. If you get a sale, please actually hit me up, screenshot it, send it to me. Like, I mean, so motivational purposes. People tend to actually think, oh, I post my students like that maybe because I'm actually flexing or maybe showing, like, yeah, ego and no, it's for motivational purposes, right? And it's also, I mean, marketing for me. It shows where whatever that I'm teaching, it works. And mind you, you guys, I usually taught you guys for free. So yeah, man. But good luck with launching your businesses, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow.